मैंने बिग बॉस के सारे सीजन्स देखे हैं. इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू. मतलब मैं वीकेंड के बाद पे जब सलमान सर आते थे, he used to say exactly those things that I have noticed. And I used to say, oh my God, yes, you know, it was like an exam. I don't think so much of the future, but yes, I do want to act again. And I hope that this platform gives me the opportunity to get work, and I want to win the trophy and come. Hi, I'm Shilpa Shirodkar and you're watching me on Peeping Moon.
Hello everyone, this is me Komal Vishwakarma and today on Peeping Moon we have someone जिन्होंने टेलीविजन से लेकर बॉलीवुड में अपना ऐसा अंदाज दिखाया कि उन्होंने जीत लिया सबका दिल और अब आ रही है बिग बॉस के घर में. Welcoming Shilpa Shirodkar with us on Peeping Moon. Hello ma'am.
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I am doing
excited. अभी मैं ही आपको पूछती हूँ. Are you excited?
मैं तो बहुत
I'm going into the house.
आपको देखने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आपका वो रियल पर्सनालिटी देखने को मिलेगा. फिल्म में तो आपकी बहुत देखी, आपके शोज भी देखे, but now we'll get to see the real Shilpa Shirodkar. So I'm excited for that.
Yeah, I'm also excited that I hope I am going to be able to be myself, जो मैं इतने सालों से मान रही हूँ कि मैं वैसी हूँ. I just hope कि मैं घर में भी वैसी ही रहूँ.
हाँ. तो अच्छा, सबसे पहला सवाल तो why did you choose Big Boss?
I chose Big Boss because I am truly a huge fan of Big Boss. मैंने Big Boss के सारे सीजन्स देखे हैं and for me it's like a dream come true. मतलब मैं explain नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि मुझे कैसे लग रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने like I said कि मैं हर सीजन देखती थी, मैं अपना एक जजमेंट बनाती थी कि ऐसे लोग हैं, वैसे लोग हैं. और फिर वीकेंड के बाद पे जब सलमान सर आते थे, he used to say exactly those things that I have noticed. And I used to say, oh my God, yes, you know, it was like an exam. कि this is what it is. So I'm quite excited. अभी ये reality में होने जा रहा है मेरे साथ. So I'm quite happy.
Were you approached इसके पहले भी?
No, I have never been approached for Big Boss. और अगर इसके पहले भी होता तो मैं शायद हाँ ही बोलती.
Okay. अच्छा, आपने जब ये बात अपने घर पे बताई, अपने फैमिली को, जैसे ये हस्बैंड अप्रोच को आपने बताई या बेटी को बताई, तो रिएक्शन कैसा था?
My family is extremely happy and as excited as I am because उनको पता है कि मैं कितने, मतलब my husband said, shut it and come to sleep, and I said no wait, मतलब मैं, because I had not lived in the country, so it comes 1 hour and then it comes again for the next hour. तो मैं repeat पे भी देखती थी कि शायद मैंने कुछ miss किया है. It was like that. He says, can you just come now? It's enough now. The night is over now. It's finished. I said, yeah. And मेरे को बहुत दुख होता था जब वो 1 घंटे में खत्म होता था. You know, like that. So they are very happy. They're very excited. And they're just telling me that just go have a blast, enjoy yourself and come back.
Any specific favorite season जो आपका रहा हो?
I love the BB13 because I feel it was a very real season. उनके हंसी भी genuine थी, झगड़े भी genuine थे, रोना भी genuine था, and everything seemed very organic in that particular season. And so for me, it's very very nice. You know, I just hope that we are all able to give something similar.
Big Boss के घर में अक्सर ऐसा देखा गया कि ग्रुपिज्म हो जाता है, पॉलिटिक्स हो जाते हैं. How do you think you will be able to manage all of that?
Well, to be honest, जिनके बड़े families हैं, उनमें भी favorites होते हैं. Like you know, जिनके घर में 7-8 siblings हैं, उनके भी कुछ siblings थोड़े ज़्यादा connected रहते हैं, थोड़े कम connected रहते हैं. तो अगर ऐसे देखा जाए तो normal, it's okay to have some favorites and some not so favorites and all that. But on the whole, I don't believe in this. I don't think it's right to take sides or whatever. But मैं जहाँ से देखती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I'm someone who stands up for myself and someone who's at least for, you know, where I feel that is what is right to talk for, I will do that.
So you take stand, जो सही
for myself, yes.
Okay.
And obviously, if tomorrow someone's coming to me for any advice, I will obviously tell them what I saw. and I would not like to convey what somebody else is telling me to convey. So that much I know I'd be able to do very well.
Okay, fair enough. You know, बिग बॉस के घर में फिजिकली, इमोशनली, मेंटली इन तीनों भी चीजों का मिक्सचर होना बहुत जरूरी है. हाउ हैव यू प्रिपेयर्ड योरसेल्फ फॉर?
I have not prepared myself for anything. I'm going there as an absolutely empty computer. And I'm going to process and I'm going to feed and I'm going to be like that because A, it's a new place for me. There are 16 unknown contestants that are going into the house. It's unfair on me to prepare and go when I don't know who is how.
Yeah, correct. Okay, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए रेट करना आउट ऑफ 10, तो फिजिकली कितना रेट करोगे? मतलब out of 10, how much will you rate yourself physically?
Oh, I'm a very strong person.
Okay, and emotionally?
Emotionally also, yeah, I'm an emotional.
Like numbers, like
Achha,
out of
okay.
10, let's
So
say.
physically, I think 8 on 10.
Okay.
Mentally,
Hmm.
8 on 10.
Okay.
And
Emotionally?
emotionally 6 on 10.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm a little like that, but
Okay.
maybe the house teaches me not to be like that.
Any strategies जो आप ऐसे लेकर जा रहे हो घर के अंदर?
नहीं.
Okay. How is the show going to help you, like career-wise, yeah, life-wise?
Well, you know, I'm again, I don't think so much of the future, but yes, I do want to act again. I want to work. I want to do some really amazing work, and I hope that this platform gives me the opportunity to get work that will keep me, that I'll wake up to feeling happy about.
Okay, you talked about work. Any plans to come back in the Bollywood or television?
At this point of time, I just want to go into the Big Boss house and come back with the trophy. So I am not thinking of anything else. I want to put in my best. I want to be myself. I want to be my real self. I want to enjoy the show. I want to have lots of memories, beautiful memories, and I want to win the trophy and come. I would like to win the trophy and come.
Of course, fingers crossed. Anything you would like to take inside the house? Something very special to you?
No, I'm not allowed to take anything, and I'm following all the rules.
Okay.
So I'm going to take all my memories of my daughter, my husband, my sister, my doggy, my niece, my nephew. I'm taking all those memories in my brain and I'm going in.
Okay. Let's talk about the host of the show, Salman Khan. You're nervous or excited?
I'm excited.
ऐसे वो डांटते भी है कभी-कभी. आपने तो देखा ही होगा.
Yeah, but I think that's fair enough because, you know, he is a fabulous host. He's been hosting the season for
Yes.
so long. And me as an audience also used to wait for him to come. And I feel more than Datna, he's more like mentoring, you know. If you're intelligent enough, then you understand the mentoring part. If you are so full of yourself in the show, then you don't take his advices properly. He says he actually helps you through the show.
Yes.
If you go to look at it very minutely.
What qualities do you think audience will like about you?
I think audiences will like me, just me being me a happy self.
Okay.
I think so.
Are there any shades of yours that you don't want the audience to see or you want the audience to see?
I actually don't know those shades and I'm going to reinvent those shades in this show.
Okay.
So I personally feel that I'm a very cool, very happy, very chilled person, but I'm sure I have another side to myself, which I would like to see if it is really there. Because we all have several sides.
Definitely. Have you discovered anything yet?
About
कैसे शो में जाऊंगी तो शायद से मुझे ये नजर आ जाएगा अपने बारे में या आपको ऐसा होगा
नहीं,
कि
मैं इतना सोच ही नहीं रही हूँ. अभी आप लोगों के साथ इंटरव्यू जब करती हूँ ना, रात को नींद उड़ जाती है ये सोच के कि शिट अभी क्या होएगा, लेकिन मैं एक्चुअली नहीं सोचती उतना.
ओके, लास्टली जाते जाते आई वांट टू नो समथिंग अबाउट कि क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो अपने आप से. आपने तो बोला दैट यू वांट टू डिस्कवर फ्यू थिंग्स अबाउट यू, बट आर देयर एनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि शो से बाहर निकलने के बाद ये ऐसा हो जाएगा या ऐसे होगा?
नहीं, मैंने ज़्यादा एक्चुअली गौर नहीं किया या सोचा नहीं है, लेकिन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव दिस माय बेस्ट शॉट बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट doesn't come to a lot of people very easily, and
Hmm.
God has been kind, came to me very nicely and
Hmm.
very organically, very simply. So I'm going to make the most of it. Like I said, I'm going to have a lovely time with making fantastic memories, making some amazing relationships, and I hope that it works in my favor, and I have a brilliant future ahead.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. आपसे बात करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for your time.
Thank you
I wish
so
you
much.
all the very
Thank
best. बिग बॉस के घर में आपको देखने में मजा आने वाला है.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.